Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to go over how to edit a Wix website. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Wix website. And now that we're here and logged in, it'll bring us to our dashboard. And so you can see on the right side of the page here, it says Edit Site, because we've already created one here on Wix. We're going to edit it, and it'll bring up our website that we made previously in an editor where we can change the content to be whatever we want. And we can change the buttons here to be, animated, change the link, the layout, left to right on the left side or on the right side. Just making little edits to the page as we see fit. And you can change anything that we want to make it what we need it to be. So this is how you edit a site. We're going to hit save. And here we have it. We have our page saved to the site, which is hosted by Wix.com. And just going to click done. And that'll bring us back to the editor if we wanted to use it. But so we have successfully edited our Wix webpage. Please like and subscribe. And as always, if you have questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below the video. Thank you very much for watching.